$199,500 was the contract price. But guess what? The market's not hot anymore. After 3 weeks, I finally got a buyer and had to pay $5,000 in closing costs. I haven't done that in 4 years. Market's changing. All right, so listen, I just picked up this property for $84,000. Renovation budget is probably gonna be around $30,000. Let's see if we can stay under that. If you're looking behind me, this tree is really huge. I'm going to cut back the limbs or get this tree out of here. What's best? If I get all the limbs off, of course, taking the limbs back will be cheaper. And what I mean by that, how the limbs sit on the house, I'll just take all that out, but I want to take it all out from the front as well. This is the driveway. Driveway is cool. Natural brick paint actually does very well. And being that people prefer that and it's selling, not painting this is gonna save me about $2,000. So I'm probably not gonna paint that. I'm gonna just power wash the brick, bring back that natural color. You need a masonry to fix these steps over here. Let's go in the house and see what we got. Now, you guys can't smell it, but this house smells like death. It's pretty bad. I refuse to open that refrigerator. All right, boom. This is the living room, right? So all this flooring is gonna come out. What I'm gonna do is this carpet right now, that smell is in the carpet, that's gonna come out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a ceiling fan there. Every bedroom will be get a ceiling fan as well. It does have an HVAC unit. Since we're here, let's start with the kitchen first. Oh, the fridge is leaking. Man, y'all lucky y'all ain't gotta smell this. So, like again, I refuse to open that. This is your kitchen. Kitchen is tiny, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I am gonna add some cabinets, right? I'm gonna add some cabinets. I don't like that the washer is here. I'm gonna assume that the dryer probably goes over there. I gotta get all this stuff out. And I'm gonna get the guys to clean this up. Yep, look at the flies. I know it's magnets in there. I wonder if I could get a dishwasher in here. I have to redo this to get a dishwasher. Yeah, all that's gotta go. So add some cabinets, make this kitchen. I want to try something. I personally never tried. I want to go with a butcher board countertop, right? And I think that'll look really good in this house, man. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom is terrible. We're gonna tile up the bathroom. New vanity, new mirror, definitely new fan, new light fixtures. I have no idea what that is. Well, don't hurt yourself in here. And we are going to tile up this bathroom. I might keep this tub, just refinish it. Here you have bedroom. I'm gonna go with all new doors. These doors, they so old school and I'm not trying to go with those. I want to open that closet, but I'm kind of scared, so I'm not gonna open the closet. I'm gonna just let the guys do clean out. Bedroom. I mean, same thing here. New light fixture, flooring, everything has to come out. Each dumpster is going to run you about $500, so keep that in mind. This is a lot of big, bulky stuff, unfortunately. Now, that's pretty much the inside of the house. Let's check out what the back looking like. This is all terrible. That has to go. I got to get that all cleaned up. That has to go. I think that roof still has life in it, so I might keep the roof. Once that tree, gets out the way, then it'll look a lot better. The unit still works, I was told. I probably have to get it serviced. That's basically the house, man. It's for $84,000, budget $30,000. So the house is worth $84,000. I'm sorry, I bought the house for $84,000, budget's $30,000. This house is worth right now probably around 165-ish or so. 165. If I can be all in, 115. I'm gonna give myself 30. If I be all in 115 instead of 165, that's a good day, because this is an easy rehab. This is easy. This is nothing. Yeah, we're at 165 on this, but my realtor wants to get aggressive. There's been some good stuff going on in here. She wants to list this for it's been to sell for like 185, but I gotta really do that kitchen the right way and tile up that bathroom. So we'll see, man, but this is what $84,000 get you, man, and I will show you guys the after. Hey, Come in. Y'all see I did the Carolina blue door, right? Go Tar Heels. So, first room we're gonna get into, this is the living room. And what I did was I put a ceiling fan in every bedroom and also including the living room. Okay, and the reason why I did that, just for a little perk, a perk for the buyer so they can, you know, like that specialty feature. Even in my rental properties, I do that now. So if you remember the living room before, it was trashed and it was horrible. However, we went back with a luxury vinyl plank floor and paint. We did go back with the popcorn ceilings. We went back with that. I had to get them redone so it can come out neater, but yes. All right, so if you remember the kitchen before, it was terrible. It was nasty, it was dirty. You know, it wasn't an eviction done, so, you know, they didn't take great care of the property. It is what it is. But this is my first time using a butching board countertop. You know, I'll probably be doing it again in the future. And if you recall, right, we did not have a dishwasher before, so we had to make room for a dishwasher in the plumbing. Also, we got a garbage disposal. We actually went with brand new cabinets because the other cabinets were rotted out. If you look at the backsplash, you'll see the subway tile. We upgraded the electrical panel. When you're doing these things, right, when you're upgrading the electrical panel, you have to label everything. So always have your electrician, because when you don't, when the buyer does the inspection, you'll get written up for that. I normally just always go get the 36 refrigerator, but that refrigerator was too big. If you're seeing, it's cutting off some of the dining area space to the eat-in kitchen space. So therefore, yeah, sorry. So, you know, but as a homeowner, I would like a big fridge. You know, I should have went with a 30-inch and I could have got it over there, but that was my mistake and I need to start measuring. We did brand new doors, and if you remember the bedrooms from before, if you remember the flooring issues I had and all of that, man, yeah, it was terrible. So I like to get my fixtures from Amazon, because you can get them from Amazon, ceiling fans for like $50. Whereas in Lowe's, I probably had to pay 80 or 90 for the cheapest one. Okay, and this is bedroom number 2. You know, kind of small, but it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath property in the Rock Hill, South Carolina area. I do some investing down here. Normally I hold rentals, but I just wanted to flip this one. This one had enough, you know, meat on the bone, so that makes sense. Remember you guys told me I should do a laundry room? Well, I did it. This is gonna be a stackable because of this was right here. The return was right here. Here it is, the last bedroom. What we do is ceiling fans, fresh paint, new doors, does wonders. And we put smoke alarms in all of the rooms to make sure it meets code. Again, you get the smoke alarms really cheap on Amazon compared to, you know, going to Lowe's. Y'all ready for the grand finale? The set off. Do you guys remember the old bathroom? It was terrible. What we did, we tiled off the bathroom, right? Went with this vanity, of course, from Amazon. Thanks, Amazon. So this sink bowl, water pressure is perfect. New mirror, new light. Just redid the whole bathroom, man. And I think it turned out nice. Just to give you the details, so we got the property under contract for, after 3 weeks, which was surprising, $199,500. We had to pay $5,000 in closing costs. I have not done that in at least 4 years because the market's been so hot. So the buyers who need closing costs paid, we're basically getting turned away, but the market is definitely shifting. So if, you know, you're on the sidelines, you know, now is the time to prepare yourself to get ready. You know, just as far as, just to remind you of the numbers, the purchase price was, I believe, $74,000, put about $55,000 into it and work. That's not including the payments. I probably had about $8,000 to $10,000 in interest payments on this particular property. It's not necessarily a home run deal, but you know, it's a good deal, and you know, you just move on to the next one. And the original budget was $24,000. But after we got all the stuff out here and found the foundation issues, we had to correct them, because if you don't correct them, I learned that it'll bite you on the inspection report and you have to rip everything up. So with that being said, guys, please, just that video that's next to me, yo, just click on that joint, right? Make sure you click on that. I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer, because I actually do this business. Peace.